Hello everyone, I'm Russ with the Black Quantas VTF here, T3 Live, and we got ourselves a traders market this week. We're back, and what a great week it's been. If you know what to look for, and had a webinar this week, a lot of people wised up, came seeing things my way, and I'm going to show you exactly why you might want to do that. Because you've seen a lot of guys on TV, and they're going, is the bottom in? I don't know, is that capitulation selling? And all this kind of stuff. They have no clue. All right, remember, there are only three ways that price can reverse. Right? How can price reverse? Let's take a look. Small cappers. The one-way price can reverse is this. You go in one direction, you go inside bar, and you go in the other direction. 2, 1, 2. Right? That's one-way price can reverse. The other way price can reverse, monthly SPY. 2 in one direction, countered by 2 the other. Up, down. Let's shrink this up to make sure you can see this so you can know how to identify what a reversal looks like. The third way that you can reverse is you take out one side of the bar and go outside bar for a 3. All of the monthly diamonds. And QQQ. Are we witnessing monthly reversals to the downside in all the 4 broader averages? We are. Yet, people are looking for the upside. We're having another reversal to the upside. Do you see any of that on the monthly? No. On the weekly, how do things continue? They go 2. And here's your inside week. 2, 1, 2. Inside and down. SPY. Inside week to the downside. QQQ. Small cappers, diamonds. Looks like they're all doing the same thing. Does that look like a reversal to the upside to you? No. So if we go to the daily, SPY, if you're going to reverse, you're going to have to do one of those things. You had a chance today with the inside day, didn't make it, right? These are called lower highs. So that is not a reversal, all right? QQQ. Lower highs. Is that a reversal? No. But one of the great things about this week is that because when the volatility increases, what that means is that the 60-minute is the 60-minute bars are almost as big as what we saw as a week or a month in September. So if we go down to the 60, let's just take a look here in the SPY. Here's your inside day. There's your reversal up. All right. The problem was you're still inside week at that time, right? So you came up here, but how are you going to get outside of this and not be an inside bar? Probably not. So then on the daily, you got the 2 up, the 2 slightly up, the 2 down, the inside day down, 2 down, 2 down, 1, 2 down, right? So if we go to the 60 now, here's how I'm going to show you how easy this is, right? This is the last few days on the 60-minute S&P, just based on what I told you. What do reversals look like? This is a 2 to the downside because it took out the lows of that. This was an inside 60. 2, 1, 2 reversal by taking that out. 2 up, 2 up, 2 up. This took out the lows of that. That's a 2-2 reversal. Down, down, 2, 2, 2. 3 reversal. 2 into the lows. 2-2 reversal back up. Long, long, 2, 1, 2. Continuation. 2 up, 2 reversal. Gap down. 2 down. 2-2 reversal this morning. Back up. 2-2 reversal at noon. Take them back down. QQQ. QQQ the same. 2 down, 2 down. 2-2 reversal, 2-2 reversal, and back in the crapper they go. So you can see how easy this was. And yesterday, here's the opening. Ready? 2-2 reversal to start the day. Boom. 2, 1, 2. You hear me talk about a simultaneous break. You had that yesterday. That's when all the broader averages do this. Inside 60 Qs. Inside 60 SPY. Inside 60 small cap. And inside 60 diamonds. And they all break in the one direction, right? But in general, on the daily and all this kind of stuff, you don't have a reversal until you have a reversal like I just showed you. So one of the problems that we saw today going forward is that in previous sell-offs, we've seen them go into the defensive names, utilities, right? Any other sell-off we've seen, oh no, they're just hiding in utilities. What happened today? 2, 1, 2, puke. So that's a problem. If you lose the XLP and you lose the Utes and you lose the REITs, 2-2 reversal here, and they aren't going into anything else, now you got everything going to the downside. Is that a problem? Potentially that is, unless you go back into the risk on. Do I also tell you about outside bars mean broadening formation, and that tells us that both sides of ranges get taken out? Yes. So if you look at QQQ today, and I had a lot of new people today from the webinar, and they got to see all this in a blaze of glory. So if you go to the 15 here, 2 down, 2 up, 2-2 reversal, right? What's the range? This. Going to take that out. Then 2-2 reversal back up. So you see this? Here's your broadening formation, like so. Now, doesn't mean it can't make a higher broadening formation, but we know that this occurs, right? So we can ride this all the way up, 2, then reverse up in here. And you can see it on the 30. If you go to the 30, we use the 30 to trigger the 60 here, right? Because it never stopped this out. When this went 32 back down, it triggered the 60 down here, but the 60 popped back up. But because of that, you could stay in because you got in before. If you go back to the 5-minuters, here, you wait for the corrective activity and then the reversal. The shooter, 2-2 back down. The rev strat here, bam, back in. And then you tighten it up as you come into the end of the day. But you're going to see this. Lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. Now, how do we get outside of this? Until we have a reversal on the daily stuff, you don't have that, right? So we're going to have a new month next week, all right? So the question is on the weekly stuff, how are you going to improve this, right? For a reversal, you either have to take out this week's highs, which is going to be a tall order. You can go inside and then the next week go up, or you can take out the low and come back into the range and go potential 3. Outside of that, there's not a reversal. So it would start on the daily. If you're going to do it at all, you got to take out today's highs on Monday if you're going to reverse, or take out the lows and come back in, or just go inside day for Tuesday, right? But that's what reversals look like. You don't have to guess and look at volume and all this kind of crap. You just look at what I just told you, right? Because I've been telling you this for a long time, and I've been right. So it makes it a lot easier. So as you can see, it was a great week to trade. Absolutely great. And so when I show you those SPY 60s, what that did was on the daily here, it helps you to know that when you're in conflict, and what I mean by that is that when you're green, even though everything else is red, you can still do that as long as the 60 and the day is green, right? And that's when you get the reversal back up into the old range. But then when we came in here, right, and we didn't take this out, and everybody's like, oh, high volume reversal. Not unless you take that out, it isn't. And then you get the slammer right there, right? So far, SPY had a bad tick, and Q's, still think that might be the high, though. But as you can see, inside day and down, what's the next two? How are you going to get outside of this? So far, we got problems, but what I'm showing you is if what I showed you, if what I just told you shows up, that's a reversal. If not, no. So I hope everybody had a great week, and if you didn't, come see me. We had a great webinar and a whole bunch of new people just to show you exactly how this works in real time, because there is nothing else. So I hope everybody had a great week. Trading is back. Rocktober lived up to its name. Now we come into November, and we'll see what Thanksgiving brings. Hope everybody had a great week and has an even better weekend. I'm Rob Smith in the Black Quantity VTF here, T3 Live with the Market Wrap-Up.